Alright, here we got a Mahindra 4540, the 2019 model. Alright, so we put that old solenoid on, or that new solenoid that I got, and it was no good. So went to the local parts store, and I got a new one. This part is for a 1993 Ford Mustang. We'll spin it over here to keep it a little bit out of the weather once we get everything hooked up. So our main hot coming from the battery is going to go here to our left. So let's go ahead and drop this wire on it right there. So where it says S for start will be from our key switch. Alright, there's that one. Now we shall hook up our cable going back down to our starter, since we're bypassing our factory solenoid that is mounted on the starter. So I'll put this one on this side, because once I rotate it, next we'll put our start wire on. This is what closes the contacts inside the solenoid. Okay, that is bigger than what I have. There we go. This one is actually 3/8. Was not expecting that. All right, like I said, we'll rotate it. Right there. And we'll tighten up. our mounting spot here. .7/16 bolt. Alright, there it is. Now, let's see if it's going to work. Go ahead and hook up the battery.